Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and today I have brought to you something for the second half of the year जो कि है आपका फेस्टिवल सीजन या वेडिंग सीजन। तो अब आधा साल तो निकल चुका है और इस लेटर हाफ ऑफ द ईयर में बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स या वेडिंग्स लाइन अप होते हैं। तो इनके लिए कुछ स्पेशल मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ, थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट फॉर यू। तो क्या आपको पता है या आप में से किसी को भी पता है कि कितने टाइप के दुपट्टे होते हैं जो आप रोज पहनते हो? कितने टाइप के हो सकते हैं? आई एम श्योर आप में से काफी लोग कम से कम 5-7 तो ऐसे अपनी उंगलियों पे गिना सकते हो। लेकिन कई लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता है कि हम रोजमर्रा में जो दुपट्टे ओढ़ते हैं उनकी क्या खास बात होती है, वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुए हैं या फिर उनको क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ दुपट्टा इट इज। सो टुडे आई हैव ब्रॉट टू यू 20 टाइप्स ऑफ डिफरेंट दुपट्टास। कैन यू बिलीव इट? आई एम श्योर कि इससे भी बहुत ज्यादा तरह के होंगे दुपट्टे, लेकिन मेरे वार्डरोब में मुझे 20 टाइप के दुपट्टे मिले हैं। वाओ, मैं तो शॉक हो गई थी जान के कि ओ माय गॉड, इस दुपट्टे को ये कहते हैं, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था। और शायद आप में से कई लोग भी सरप्राइज रहेंगे देख के। तो चलिए चलते हैं, देखते हैं किस दुपट्टे की क्या खास बात है और उसे क्या कहते हैं।
The first type of dupatta is a bandhani dupatta. This originates from the western parts of India, majorly Rajasthan. It is a tie and dye technique where we use small pieces of grains, tie them in the cloth and then dye them with different colors. The earliest bandhani techniques are dated back to the Indus Valley civilization. The second type of dupatta is a Banarsi dupatta. As the name suggests, it originated from Banaras, now called Varanasi. It is a beautiful silk cloth with zari or golden work. These are very intricate dupattas and the silk is in the purest form. The next is this chicken embroidery dupatta. Now most of us know the chicken originates from Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. This type of embroidery work lacks color in all the senses. It was originated as white embroidery on white cloth to give a Persian or Mughal feel to the cloth. Now we come to the Chanderi dupatta. As the name suggests again, this has originated in the place of Chanderi in Madhya Pradesh. It is a weaving technique that has gold brocade mostly on silk cloth. Next is a net dupatta, which origin is actually unclear, but we know that it is used from the pre-Mughal era. Net is made by knitting, fusing, looping and knotting the fabric together. The Fulkari work originates from Punjab. The word Fulkari means floral, but it also has some geometrical designs. It is doing embroidery on the wrong side with colorful silk thread. A heavy work Fulkari dupatta can be used at many events and also at weddings. The Gotapatti design is a Rajasthani applique technique. Here, a zari ribbon is stitched on the cloth, making various beautiful designs. It can be golden or silver. It is mostly used at South Asian weddings. Katha work originated from the eastern parts of India, majorly West Bengal and some parts of Bangladesh. It is basic straight stitching by which they make patterns. It all started by making cushions and now we have Katha dupattas, saris and whatnot. It is mostly famous in Bengali ladies. They wear their normal sari and take up a katha dupatta to layer a heavy look. The velvet cloth originated from Baghdad, which Kashmiri merchants majorly exported from Venice in the 14th century. It is a soft fabric and the production cost is mostly high. So it has always been associated with royalty. Pashmina. The word pashm means wool in Kashmiri. Wool itself is an animal hair fiber that we get from sheep. So pashmina is finely spun animal hair fiber which we mostly use during winters. Ikat is originated from Indonesia and the word itself means bind and tie. It has unique vertical patterns which are dyed prior to weaving. Pom-pom or tassel dupattas have originated in Europe. It is a part of the Bohemian culture which in modern terms is referred to artistic people. Tie and dye is a great industry that was originated in the United States. It means manipulation of the fabric before dyeing. This is how I move out on my two-wheeler, sun and dust protection. This mirror work dupatta, also known as the Sisha work, was originated in Afghanistan. We put out small pieces of mirror in the dupatta making patterns. The Kalamkari dupatta, originated in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, is a hand block printed textile work. It is painted by natural dyes in 23 steps. Mostly we see Indian mythological figures in these dupattas. The Madhubani dupatta originated in Bihar. The word means the forest of honey or a sweet voice. Geometrical patterns are made mostly with female goddesses and these are worn in Holi, Durga Puja, Navratri, etc. The Varli design was originated in Maharashtra. It is basically the art of tribals or Adivasis. This art is going extinct and we need to preserve it. The Zardozi work dupatta means a gold swing in Persia. It is doing heavy embroidery with beads, pearls or stones which make the dupattas look really heavy and fancy. The Georgette cloth is a very lightweight and dull finished cloth. We have taken this idea from the French people. It is made up of solid colors and prints. Last but not the least, we have the chiffon cloth that we have taken up from America. It is a shimmery and lightweighted sheer fabric. That means it is a little bit translucent.
तो गाइस फाइनली आपने देख लिए हैं 20 तरह के दुपट्टे. ओ माय गॉड, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि इन सब दुपट्टों में से आपको कितनों के नाम पता थे, आपके पास कितने तरह के दुपट्टे हैं. इन 20 टाइप्स के अलावा अगर आपके पास कोई और टाइप का दुपट्टा है तो वो भी मुझे बताइएगा. मेरी भी नॉलेज बढ़ रही है, आपकी भी नॉलेज बढ़ रही है. और मुझे ये भी जानना है कि इस फेस्टिवल सीजन में आप इसको किस ओकेजन में या कहाँ पे यूज करने वाले हैं, कौन से टाइप का दुपट्टा. आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प यू अ लॉट टू इंक्रीज योर फैशन नॉलेज अ लिटिल बिट. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो या कोई सजेशन हो देन यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो या फिर आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम कर सकते हैं. मैं सब जगह आपके लिए अवेलेबल हूँ. और प्लीज शो योर लव, खूब सारा प्यार जैसे आप देते आए हैं वैसे देते रहिए. मैं आपके लिए इसी तरह से हर वीक बहुत सारे प्यारे वीडियोज लाती रहूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.